So in this Visme tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a YouTube channel art here on the Visme mobile application. So once you're into the Visme app, make sure to go to the bottom right and press on the blue circle with the plus icon in the middle of it. Then under project type, I want you to press on social media. Now, as of right now, the Facebook advertisements option is selected. So what I want you to do is actually slide this bar all the way to the right until you come across a template option that says YouTube channel art. So as you can tell right here, YouTube channel art is right here. So we'll go ahead and press on that. Now what this does is, first off, it creates the same dimensions needed for a YouTube channel artwork. So as you can tell, the artwork here is 2560 by 1440 pixels, so it's quite large. But what this does now is you can slide down and either select a blank template if you want, or what you can do as well is just select whatever template you want. Whatever graphics you want here to sort of base off to base your YouTube channel art off of. So if you wanted to perhaps use this one right here of this Business 101, you can go ahead and press on this right here, Business 101. It's now going to create the project in a few seconds here, but what this does more importantly is it keeps the same dimensions needed for some YouTube channel art. So as you can tell, what is highlighted right now is what's going to be seen in the YouTube channel art. So you can go ahead and add some new stuff to this design. You can create your own, whatever the case may be, get creative. It's definitely your thing to design. So once that is done, this is pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can create a YouTube channel or some YouTube channel art here on the Visme mobile application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.